Milledgeville, Georgia. And I'm here to take a little trip around the campus of an old abandoned Georgia state mental facility. I don't know if you want to call it an insane asylum, mental hospital. I think the sign on the building actually says mental hospital. I'm just going to ride through and let you see it. It's kind of eerie. The whole town, or the whole area around the hospital is kind of spooky, man. It's all abandoned. All the buildings are abandoned. Well, you'll see in a minute. A lot of this town is abandoned. It's a really low-income, poverty-stricken town, man. There's a prison here. Obviously, there's a nice big trailer park. But kind of once we get up over this hill, man, into this, it looks like a sprawling college campus. All the buildings are all old red brick buildings. Kind of like right about now. Here you go. Get ready. This was an what you call it? Like, okay, there you go. There's an abandoned building right there. Stop sign. So there is still a company here working, but everything kind of up ahead of me, in front of me, all this on the left, it's all empty. All this was that big building over there with the white top. That was part of the, or that was the main hospital. That's where like all the shock therapy and the straight jackets and the people chained up in the basement were at. Yeah, all that right there. So you see, it's not fenced off. There's no fencing. I mean, if people wanted to come out here and explore, there's an open door right there. All the staircases are open. That building over there is all empty and vacant. We'll pull into the front of the actual insane asylum building here. Let you take a look. Do not enter. I probably shouldn't enter. So let's see what it says on the front of the building. Central State Hospital. Milledgeville State Hospital. And there it is. There's the sign. I'm not going to read it out loud. I'll sit here and look at it for a second, so you can read it yourself if you want, or pause the video. I recently saw a video on this place that somebody did. Wow, it does look like the White House. That's a big building. I'd love to explore that thing, but not really. Yeah, it's all empty. It's all vacant. People have been in there. There's videos on the YouTubes. Let's go this way. So look at that. Look at that building. All that's empty. Now that one's all fenced off. That one, see, a lot of these buildings are historic. Yeah, they're historic buildings, man. They've these were like you know, I don't know what they were, man. They were just all part of the Georgia State Regional Mental Hospital. Looks like that's still a working church or something. Chapel of All Faiths. back. So, alright, let's go down here. We'll come up the other side of the joint. I assume this is probably the sign indicating that where you're at. Let's see what we got here. Renaissance Park. I think that's just the green space park out in front of the damn hospital. I mean, some people still live in some of these houses around here. But you see, it's vacant, it's empty, man. There's no cars, there's no traffic, there's no people in this big, beautiful park. The park's abandoned. Look at it. It's all just abandoned. This building's all abandoned. That one's fenced off. You see people obviously been in there before. Building, same way. Alright, let's go down behind the look, there's another car. Somebody actually in the place. Go around the backside. So that building, as you can see, there's no fence around that. I don't understand why they got fencing around all the red brick, but none around this big white building. And I guess other people are down here doing the same thing. Look at that, man. That's so cool. So I guess you could get right in that staircase and go up the damn building. It looks like you could probably get up to the roof of that thing. I'm going to drive around the back. The road is open to the back of the place. And down there, the smokestacks ahead of me, you'll see. It's, I guess, like where the boiler room for the place, the whole power plant was at. Alright, so they got fencing. There's an open door down there in the back corner. I know I can get to it. Let's see what this goes to. Look at that, man. Wow, that's kind of freaky, man. Look at this. It's so weird that it's like, see, that staircase is open, man. You can go up to that top floor up there. There's no graffiti all over the building. Even that staircase, look at it, y'all. That one's open. You could go, okay, they got chained. Look at that, they got it all fenced like a prison, man. So that was so the crazy patients wouldn't get out, because it was a mental hospital. Wow. Health Information Management. That staircase is open. That one's open. That whole other building down there is empty. I want to go check out that power plant down there. So I don't know how many blocks this is, like city square blocks or whatever. I'd guess and say 1, 2, 3, probably, I don't know, 6, something like that maybe. So this building too, this is all part of it. I think this still has a sign out there. Yeah, see, there on the top. Hold on, let me get in the shade, you can see. Milledgeville State Hospital, State of Georgia. Look at the carvings in the rock up there. It's weird how, like, all the windows aren't busted out. You know, a couple are. Alright, let's check out what this damn smokestacks are down here. What's that happening? There's another abandoned building right there. That's got a door open on it. Let's go in there and check that out. Down there, that shit is spooky looking. Look at that. Let's ride down there and check that shit out. I don't even know how to get down there. I guess this way. Man, I don't know what's in that fucking building. Some kind of fucking power plant or something, I guess. Fucking weird as shit, though. It's loud. More abandoned buildings over here. But isn't this pretty wild, though, for all of this stuff to be abandoned and open for exploration like this? Like, look at these, man. You can get back in there in these buildings. Wow. Some kind of old factory. Conveyor system. I guess it's where they burned the bodies at. This place was notorious for a lot of dead bodies, people dying. They had a lot of mysterious deaths in this hospital. And I get, you know, from the stories I've heard and you know, YouTube videos and vlogs and little readings I've read, they said there was all kinds of this kind of stuff you saw in movies was happening at this place, man. This looks all, I should probably not be riding all around back here. I don't want to get a flat tire or nothing. See, that gate's open. You could ride, I mean, you could go in there if you wanted to, I guess. You could probably climb all the way up there on that conveyor system, probably. Man. Alright, let me just go check out one little other side over there, and I'm gonna get back on the road. Gotta get back to Snellville before dark. So yeah, this is it, everybody. If anybody wants to posse up, we'll get a ride together. We'll all ride down here. Park off in the distance somewhere, and come back through and explore. What that building is. That building's empty too. I didn't go across this way at all. Let's go see what this is all about. That looks like a damn food truck. What's a food truck doing out here? Oh, this is a school? Oh, food service. I don't know what they do there. That building's empty. See right through the windows. Alright, this whole building in front of me is apparently empty. Oh, that's the one I drove past coming up here. Alright, we'll go to the left up here. There's some more shit over there. That looks interesting. Oh, there's a road over there. Oh, a road going into an abandoned building. I want to see what these buildings are over here on the left. This goes. This looks kind of spooky. Oh, that goes to the water tower. Oh, there's another abandoned building. Abandoned truck. Mar Trucking is abandoned as shit. Yeah. Yeah, most of this town is abandoned. Look at that door's open. There. Alright, one last pass back down behind those buildings. I guess I've seen about most of it. Let me take y'all back behind this one other building up here too. Looks pretty cool. What is this? It's like a big courtyard back here. That almost looks like it could have been like dorms or something. Oh, there is a camera up there. Oh, look at the fucking vultures up there on the top of the building. God damn. I guess this shit is like what movies are all about. See the vultures up there? Man. Guarding over the dead bodies, I guess. Huh. As long as they don't come down here after me, I'm good. I wonder what that building was. I think I'm just gonna get out of this fucking town. I gotta fucking pee though. Alright. Let me pull up my map and get the hell out of Dodge here. Oh, my damn headset is fucking dead, man. I really gotta pay attention. Alright. Alright, so I guess we're gonna make another pass this way. Alright, I'm on Broad Street. Wonder if there's bodies down in them things. Building. That was a Milledgeville, Georgia State Mental Hospital.